Imagine creating a full video without a camera, without editing, and without even speaking. Just type and AI does the rest. Welcome to the future of content creation. What are AI video generators? AI video generators like Pika Labs, Runway, and Synthesia are tools that turn your ideas into videos instantly. You give them a script or prompt, and they generate visuals, animations, and even voiceovers. How do they work? These platforms use generative AI models trained on massive datasets. They understand your text, match it with relevant visuals, and animate scenes, sometimes with characters that lip-sync your narration. Who's using them? From YouTubers and marketers to teachers and startups, everyone's jumping in. AI-generated explainer videos, product demos, and even music videos are now being made in minutes. Why it's a game changer? Traditional editing takes hours. These tools? Just minutes. No need for expensive gear, actors, or studios. You can build a faceless channel, run ads, or teach online, all powered by AI. The future of AI video. Experts predict that by 2026, over 40% of online videos could be AI-generated. The line between human-made and AI-made content is blurring fast. Can you still tell the difference? Want more mind-blowing facts about AI, tech, and the future? Hit subscribe. See you in next video, buddies. Bye.